Today I am going to explain practice set 11. Before we solve this practice set, let me explain the Euclid rule. According to Euclid rule, any composite number can be written as a product of prime number. You know what is a composite number? The number which has more factors. So let us solve this practice set 11 now. Sum number 1, 32. We can solve this sum by two methods. One is vertical arrangement and another one is a horizontal arrangement. So first I will show you by vertical arrangement. Now 32. 2. This is the unit place. In unit place, if we have even number, for example 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If we have unit number, even number, then we can divide this number by two tables. These all are even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So the 32. So in the unit place you have even number. So we can divide this number by two tables. So we will write here 2. So now if we don't know direct division, we can solve in our rough work 2 table. 2 ones are 2 minus. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring this 2 down. So 2 6 are 12. So we can write here 16, or we can do directly 2 ones are 2. So 1 here, 1 is remainder. So you will get 12. So 2 6 are 12. We can do like this, or either if you don't know, then you divide and then write the number here. Again 6. 6 is an even number. So it will go in 2 table. Write 2. 2 8s are 16. So I will write here 8. Again 8 is a even number. So it will go in 2 table. So 2 4s are 8. Again 4 is an even number. So 2, it will go in 2 table. So again 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is an even number. It will go in 2 table. Is a prime number also. So it will not go in any other number. So 2 ones are 2. So the factors of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. There are 5 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can do this by horizontal arrangement also. So 32 you can split it 2 into 16. Again 16 can be split into 2 into 8. So 2 into 8 can be split into 2 into 4. So again 4 we can split 2 into this 4 we can split 2 into 2. So again if you see factors of 32 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. There are 5 2. So either you do by vertical method or by horizontal method, the answer will remain the same. But only we can solve by horizontal method. Only I want to show you the both the method we get the same answer. So we can do by vertical arrangement, rest all the sums. Now second sum 57. Now 57, when you see the number in the unit place, it is an odd number. You all know odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the odd numbers. So it will be not divisible by 2 table. So let us see whether it is divisible by 3, by 5, because we have to see that numbers will be only, the factors should be only the prime numbers. So now I will add the digit 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is how much? 12. Now this 12 is divisible by 3 table. By 3, let us see. Now 3 4s are 12. That means this 57, it can go in 3 table. Again I tell you, we have to add the digit. When I add the digit, I got 12. The 12 we have to see whether it is divisible by 3. So I will write here 3. Again 3 ones are 3. Remaining 2. So 3 9s are 27. Now 19. 19 is a prime number. It will not go in any table. So again 19, I will write here 19 ones are 19. So factors of 57 is 3 into 19. You have to find the prime factor of 23. Now if you see 23, 23 is a prime number. It will not go in any table. Okay, so we will take 23 ones are 23. So your factor of 23 is 23 only. Next, 150. We will factorize this number. Now, again 0 is there in the unit place. You know even number 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So they are divisible by which table? By 2 table. So let us divide and see 150. 2 7s are 14. Remaining 1, bring the 0. So 2 5s are 10. So your answer is 0. So we will write here 2. So 2 75s are 150. Again 5 is there. It is an odd number. So let me add the digit 7 plus 5. Again I get 12. So it is divisible by 3 table. So I will write here 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 is remaining. 3 5s are 15. Now again it is an odd number. Let me add and see. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 is not divisible by 3 tables. So let me skip go to next number. After 3 we have 5 as a prime number. So we will try for 5. 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25. 5 again is a prime number. It will not go in any table. So 5 1s are 5. So factors of 150 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Sum number 5, 216. Now 216, the digit in the unit place is again even number. So it will go in 2 table. So let us divide and see 216 in 2 table. 2 1s are 2. So 0. Bring the 1. 1 will not go in 2 table. So I'll put 0 over here. I'll bring the next number also 16. So it will become 16 now. 2 8s are 16. So the answer is what? When you divide 216 by 2 table, I get 108. So I'll write here 2. I'll write 108. Again 8 is an even number. We can divide by 2 table. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. Again 4 is an even number. It will be divisible by 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. 2 7s are 14. Now it is an odd number. The digit in unit place is a odd number. So it will not go in 2 tables. So we will try for the next number, that is 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3 table. So I'll write 3. 3 9s are 27. Again 9 is divisible by 3 table. Write 3. 3 3s are 9. So again 3 is a prime number. It will not go in any table. Only it will go in 3 tables. So 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 216 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. There are 3 2 and 3 3s. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. Sum number 6, 208. We'll factorize this 208. See the number in the unit place. It is an even number. So it will be divisible by 2 table. So we can divide this 208 by 2 table. Let me write here 2. 2 1s are 2. 0, write as it is. 2 4s are 8. Again you see in the unit place you have a even number. So it will go in 2 table. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. So again there is a unit place. They have an even number. So again 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. So it will become 12. So 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is an even number. So it will go in 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Now we got answer 13. 13, it will be not divisible by any number. It is a prime number. So 13 1s are 13. You will get answer 1. So the factors of 208 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. Sum number 7, 765. Let us factorize this 765. Now, the digit in the unit place is odd number. So it will not be divisible by 2 table. So let us try for 3 table. Add all the 3 digit. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 7 plus 6 plus 5. You get 18. Now 18 is divisible by 3 table. So this number you can divide by 3. So you write 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 1 is remaining. It will become 16. 3 fives are 15. Again 1 is remaining. So it will become 3 fives are 15. If you don't know like this division, you can do divide in the rough work and you can write the answer over here. Again, if you see 5 is a odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2 table. Let us see again, it is divisible by 3 table. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 is divisible by 3 table. So again I'll write 3. 3 8s are 24. 1 is remaining. 3 5s are 15. Now I got 85. Now again we will add this 2 number. 8 plus 5 is how much? It is 13. 13 is not divisible by 3 table. So next prime number is 5. Let us try for 5. Whenever there is number in 0 and 5, it will be divisible by 5 table. Whenever there is a in unit place, if you have 5, then it will be divisible by 5 table. So now 5 ones are 5, 3 is remaining, 3 sevens are 5 sevens are 35. Now, so this is a 17. 17 is a prime number. It will not go in any table. So 17, here you write 1. So 765. The product number is 3 into 3 into 5 into 17. Sum number 8, 342. If you see the digit in unit place is even number, the 2 is even number, so it will be divisible by which table? By 2 table. So write 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 is remaining, 2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2. You can divide and see in your rough work. Again, 1 is an odd number, it will be not divisible by 2 table. Let's try for 3. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3 table. So we'll write 3. 3 5s are 15. 2 is remaining. 3 7s are 21. Again 7 is an odd number. It will be not divisible by 2 table. Let me try whether it is divisible by 3 table. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is how much? 12. 12 is divisible by 3 table. So 3 ones are 3. 2 is remaining. Again 27. So 3 9s are 27. Now 19. 19 is a prime number. It will be not divisible by any number. So 19 table, again you write 19 ones are 19. So your product, the factors are for 342 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 19. Sum number 9, 377. Now let us see the factors of 377. Now 7 in the unit place, 7 is that it is an odd number, so it will be not divisible by 2 table. We'll see whether it's go for 3 table. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. So it will not go in 3 table. 17 is not divisible by 3. Now it is not divisible by 5 because whenever there is in the unit place 0 and 5 is there, then only it will be divisible by 5 table. You go on trying for 1 prime number. Finally, you try for 13. 13 twos are 26. You get 11 balance. Bring the 7 down. 13 nines are 117. It will not go by any other number. It will not go by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Directly it goes only by 13. So 13, 29s are 377. Now again if you see 29 is a prime number, it will also not go in any table other than 29. So only 29 table only it will go. 29 ones are 29. It will be not divisible by any number because 29 is a prime number. So 300 factors of 377 is 13 into 29. Sum number 10, 559. Okay, like how we have tried for this sum, same we will try for this also. 9 is a, in the unit place 9 is there, it is a odd number, so it will not divisible by 2 table. Let us try for 3 table. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 9, 19. 19 is not divisible by 3 table, it is not divisible by 5 also. 7, 11. Let me try for again 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 fours are 52. Subtract it, you get 39. 5 minus 2 is 3. Bring the 9 down, you get 39. 13 threes are 39. So again, you get answer 0. So 13 43s are 559. If you see again, 43 is a prime number. It is not divisible by any number. So 43 will go in only 43 table. So answer is 1. So what is the factor of 559? 13 into 43.